Did we just find hell on Earth? This is the deepest man-made hole on the planet, 7.5 miles deep. It took 19 years to dig, and what they found at the bottom? Terrifying. Scientists reported strange anomalies, but the real nightmare began when they lowered a microphone into the abyss. The sounds they recorded? Listen to this. Screams. Blood-curdling, inhuman screams, as if thousands of tormented souls were trapped down there. The recordings sent shockwaves through the world, leading many to believe they had dug straight into the gates of hell. So the question is, did they accidentally open something that was never meant to be disturbed? And more importantly, is it still open?